All right, take two here. Um, Upon submitting my first video, I then went back and looked at the instructions and realized that we had to make a PowerPoint. So here we are. Okay, so my name is Jet Hannon. That's how you spell it right there. This is a picture of me at the Snake Farm Zoo that I recently went to a few days ago. It's a really good time. It's I think it's in New Braunfels if you want to go check it out. Um, okay, so I'm 22. I am from Austin, Texas. I live in San Marcos right now. I'm a senior at Texas State. I'm an advertising major. I graduate on August 6th. And I also went to University of Arkansas for my first 2 years. So came here beginning of junior year, and I was very happy about it. Just to be in a better place and closer to home. Even though my parents just did move to Colorado this year. Okay, so yeah, that's me with those goats. Let's see. This is something I like to do, which is skateboarding. This is just a little line that my buddy filmed the other day at the Seguin skate park. I was feeling pretty heavy that day, so that kickflip was a little low. It's actually kind of a decent clip, honestly. But yeah, I love skating. My dad used to own a skate park when I was little, so I've just been really into it my whole life, pretty much. But I did have a slight hiatus when I played football in high school because skating and football were just kind of too much injury possibility, you know. This video is really distorted and weird, but that's a fakey flip that I did. Other than skating, I just love to be outdoors. I love fly fishing. Skating and fly fishing are probably my two favorite things in life, besides, you know, friends and family. But this is a cool video that my dad actually got of me catching a brook trout in a little stream in Colorado last month. But yeah, that's pretty much me in a nutshell. I just love to skate and fish and be outdoors and hang out with people, you know. Get to know new people, new faces, see new things. Yeah, like I said in my other video, I'm kind of excited to take a speech class because I kind of enjoy it slightly. You know, if I can talk about something that I'm passionate about, it's a lot easier. So we'll see how I do, but yeah, it ought to be, you know, more fun than a lot of the other classes I've taken. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope everyone's having a nice Friday and you have a nice weekend. I'm gonna be stuck in here just doing a lot of homework because I took 6 summer classes in order to graduate in August. So yeah, all right, thank you. Thanks for your time.